Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna make roast chicken with red grapes, parma ham, and red wine sauce. These are all my ingredients: chicken breast or chicken fillet, chicken stock, red wine, parma ham, red grapes, rosemary, butter, salt, and black pepper. And then I'm gonna wrap our chicken with parma ham. You can use 2 pieces of parma ham in one chicken. So they are totally fully wrapped. And then close it with this. I'm finished wrapping our chicken, and now I'm going to fry them. By the way, you can use also pancetta if you don't have parma ham. Just put back the rosemary. And let's put our grapes. It's looking very good and smelling very good. And now I'm going to make the sauce. Chicken bouillon or chicken stock, red wine. Just add a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper. And let it boil. Now it's boiling, we can pour into our chicken. And I'm gonna put it now in the oven for about 10 minutes. I'm finished roasting our chicken. I will take it out first because I'm gonna make our sauce thick. Smelling very good. I'm going to drain that. I will just add this cornstarch that I made. Okay, it's already boiling. Now I can add our cornstarch. and stir it. There you have it, roast chicken with red grapes, parma ham, and red wine sauce. Now I'm going to put it in a plate and I'm gonna eat it with baked potato and green beans. Now I'm gonna try. So delicious. It's perfect with baked potato and green beans. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, likes and comments, and see you on my next video. Bye.